Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger tire. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then loosen lug nuts slightly before jacking. Use the correct jack point under the rocker or pinch seam, raise the car until the wheel clears the ground, remove lug nuts and wheel, mount spare, hand tighten lug nuts, lower car, and torque nuts to the manufacturer's specification in a crisscross pattern. Make sure you have the right tools and prioritize safety throughout the process. Position wheel chocks and loosen lug nuts while the car is still on the ground to prevent slipping. Always use jack stands after lifting the vehicle. Never rely solely on the jack. Double-check jack placement against the manual and keep hands clear of pinch areas. Having a torque wrench and spare hubcap makes reassembly quicker and more reliable. With the car secure and raised, remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Inspect the brake area and hub for damage or debris before mounting the spare. Align the spare wheel with the studs, push it into place, and thread lug nuts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Lower the vehicle slowly, then tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to the recommended torque. Recheck torque after driving a short distance for safety and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.